Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following angles in degrees. Well, they are given in radian. So the very first thing that you all need to note is that pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so that is how Mr. Tan always start off because it is relatively easier to remember this. Then, what would be 1 radian? Yep, I divide by pi. 180 degrees divided by pi. Then, now zooming in, then what will be my pi over 6 radian? What do I do on both sides? Yes, I multiply by pi over 6. And that will give me 30 degrees. What happens if it is 5 pi over 4? Yes, I multiply by 5 pi over 4 on both sides. This will give me 225 degrees. And if it is 2.8 radian, I just need to multiply by, 2.8, since I know what is 1 radian. And then, as per all you answers that is going to be given in degrees, we round it off to 1 decimal place. So in this case, 160.4 degrees. And for 5.7 radian, you would have guessed it. Yep, we are going to multiply by 5.7. Final answer to leave in 1 decimal place. 326.6 degrees. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.